What are you doing? Look. Finn. Look up here. Boy. Wow. Wow. What you think of that? Nope. Nope. Okay, let's go. Got some old camera gear here. Old 35 millimeters. Not bad. Kind of cool. Alrighty, so there we have it. Short video today showing you guys the DJI Action 5. Why it's a good idea to grab something like this to shoot your content. You can see we're in a really nice place. We checked around a little bit of like a marketplace today, flea market type thing. Saw some animatronic dinosaurs. Just basically got out, had some fun, and now grandkids are playing in the pool, and I'm out here just checking out the scenery. So no microphone, we're using the internal mics that are actually built into this camera, and pretty much that's exactly all we're doing. As you can see, great view behind me. Now we can head back in. Now if you happen to actually get a hold of the DJI Action 5 bundle, the creator bundle, you're also going to get that selfie stick right there. So you can actually get up high, get some good aerial shots, I guess you could say, and super easy to use, super accurate. So there you go, guys. That's all I have for you this evening. I am going to go chill out at the pool. Talk to you guys later. Bye.